मैं संजय सिंह तोमर. I, Sanjay Singh Tomar, welcome you all in this very important session, a non-stop maths marathon. A non-stop maths marathon, guys. What we have planned for you. नहीं अभी नहीं है. A non-stop maths marathon. What we have planned for you. So please do join, and once you join, do not forget to let me know by your comments as well about your joining. Please do join, and once you join, please do not forget to let me know by your comments about your joining, guys. We are going to do a, a marathon session today. Hello, very good morning, Vinod. Very good morning. How are you all, guys? I hope all of you are absolutely great. Hello, Akhleshwar V. Very good morning. So today we can call it as an advanced special as well. We can call today's session as advanced special as well. Okay. So most of the questions which are going to come in today's marathon are like advanced, and some are from arithmetic as well. So please do join, and once you join, do not forget to let me know by your comments about your joining as well. Good morning, Akhleshwar, Vineet. Just share it, guys. Just share it with your friends as well so that they can also join in. So the task for today is do some important questions together. Task for today is to do some important questions together, guys. Approximately 30 to 25 to 30 questions, guys, together we are going to do, and most of them are very good, and most of the questions is like, or you can say all the questions is from your exams only. Good morning, Harika. Very good morning. Do the sharings as well, guys. Do the sharings as well. We are just going to begin it in few seconds only. We are just going to begin it in few seconds only. Why it is? Okay. Okay. Hello, well done, Sanjeev. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience. Yeah. Those who remember the formula, they already know. Those who remember the formula, they already know it is 62 divided by 2, that is 31. But if you want to do it completely, this is half of this angle, 31. 31, this is also 31, 62. And remaining after 62, what is remaining? I think 118. So this is 118. Yeah, this is how it is. Vinod, Akleshwar, Harika, I think it would be properly audible now. 62, half of 62, 31, 31, 118. 31, 31, 118. Obviously, first you find this 118. Then you find the two opposite angles as 31, 31. But we can do the reverse as well. Directly writing 31, half of the vertex angle. Let's move on. Okay. Come on, give the answers. Come on, give the answers. Sorry. The distance between the center of two circle 8 each is given as 17. The distance between the center of two circles 8 centimeter each are 17. What is the length of transverse common tangent? Two circles 8 centimeter each. The distance between their centers is 17. What is the length of transverse common tangent? TCT is under root of d square minus r1 plus r2 ka whole square. Okay, now I got it why you are not giving it. I think some of you are not matching or what? Guys, some of you are not matching or what? Yeah, for transverse it's plus. And for direct it's minus. Yeah, that is the reason. That is why you are not giving the answers. So let's see what happens. The distance between the centers is 17 chi square. And R1 plus R2 is 8 plus 8, 16 chi square. 17 chi square minus 16 chi square is A minus B and A plus B. A minus B and A plus B. What is A plus B? 33. Oh ho. Yeah, Akleshwar, Harika, you are getting correctly, root 33. Akleshwar, Harika, you are getting it correctly, root 33. Yeah, there should be some corrections in the options, yeah. Root 33. Akhleshwar, Harika, you are getting correct. It's root 33. And what is the length of DCT? The length of DCT is 17 ka square minus 8 ka whole square. That is 17 minus 0. 17 ka square 17. So for DCT, the answer would be, for direct common tangent, the answer would be 17. For transverse common tangent, it would be root 33. You both are absolutely correct. It should be 4 and 4. समझ रहे हो आप? It should be 4 and 4. So that 4 plus 4 will become 8. So that 4 plus 4 will become 8. 17 ka square minus 8 is 15 ka square. So 15 would be the answer. Got it? Correction there. Yes, exactly. 4 and 4. In case of 4 and 4, it will become 4 plus 4, 8. 17 ka square minus 8 ka square is going to be 17 ka square. 17 ka square minus 8 ka square is going to be 15 square. Then you can get the answer. Let's move on. A tangent at a point intersect the diameter PQ when extended at a point B. So diameter extended and a tangent are meeting at a point P. Diameter extended and a tangent are meeting at a point B. Angle BAQ is 25. Diameter subtend 90 degree at the circumference. Diameter subtends 90 degree at the circumference. Total angle is 125. Total angle is 125. So can I say the remaining portion is 35? Can I say the remaining portion is 35? To make it 90 plus 35 is 125. Okay. Now, a tangent and a chord has subtended 35 degree. A tangent and a chord has subtended 35 degree. So, this chord at any other point on the circumference will also subtend 35 degree from alternate segment theorem. From alternate segment theorem. From alternate segment theorem, if the tangent and a chord subtend theta, this chord at any other point on the circumference also subtend theta. 90, 35 is 125. What is remaining after 125? I think 5 is 30, 55. So angle APQ is 55. Angle APQ is 55. Is it absolutely clear? Is it absolutely clear? Whatever is the angle subtended, whatever is the angle subtended by a like a tangent and a chord between them, the same angle is going to be subtended by the chord at any other point on the circumference. Let's move on. I hope it is clear to you. Today it is going to be a mostly advanced special. consisting of some questions of arithmetic as well. Consisting some questions of arithmetic as well. Please quickly share, guys. Please quickly share. It is going to be a long session. A very, very fruitful session, guys. I will try to make it till the end. I will try to make it a very, very fruitful session, guys, before the examination till the end. Our non-stop math series was always, a practice-oriented, good quality question, exam-oriented question series. The present age of A and B is in the ratio 8:9. The present age of A and B is in the ratio 8:9. After 9 years, after 9 years, it would be 19:21. The difference between the age of two person is always constant, 1, 2. So ratios are not balanced. So ratios are not balanced. Here the difference is 1, here the difference is 2. But the difference between the age of two person should always be constant. So multiply by 2 here. In that case, the ratio will become balance. In that case, the ratio will become balance. 16 ratio 18, 19 ratio 21. Look, guys, they have become balanced now. They have become balanced now. According to ratio, both age are increasing by 3. According to ratio, both age are increasing by 3. Actually, it is 9 years. Actually, it is 9 years. So 3 is given as 9. Actually, it is given as 9 years. So 3 is given as 9 years. Everything, whatever you want to find out, you can find out. 1 is equal to 3 years. Present age of, okay, for C, at least find out A or B, whatever. Acha, C connection is with B. So find out the present age of B. 18, 3 ja, 54. Present age of B is 54. Present age of B is 54. C is 3 year younger. C is 3 year younger. So C is 54 minus 3, 51. Great question. Quality question. CGL tier 1. CGL tier 1. Got it? Each and every step clear. Each and every step clear. Come on, do tell me, guys, with the help of the comments. Do tell me. Let's move on. Dear advanced spatial. Advanced spatial. Multiple of 3, multiple of 9, sir. Yeah. Yeah. Kaleshwar, yeah. Inverse. Inverse thought process. Yeah, marathon. Diameter is decreased to 1/3 of its initial value. Okay, diameter is becoming 1/3. So radius is also becoming 1/3. If diameter is becoming 1/3, then radius is also becoming 1/3. Radius becoming 1/3 means from 3 to 1. Volume is pi r square h. Okay, you have to keep the volume same. So if volume is constant, then r square into h is constant. Or you can say the ratio of r square is inverse to h. R square and h are inversely proportional to each other. R square and h are in the inverse ratio. Find out the ratio of r square. It's 9:1. Find out the ratio of r square. It's 9:1. So height should be in the ratio 1:9. So height will become from 1 to 9. So height will become from 1 to 9. How many times it is becoming of initial? 9 times. How many times it is becoming of initial? 9 times. Please do see it. Any doubts? You can ask me as of now. Any doubts, guys? You can ask me as of now only. Let's move on. अभी भी सही नहीं हुई. चलो. A is 2 sin x 1 plus sin x plus cos x. B is c upon 1 plus sin x. A is b. Then what is c? Wow. Do you want to go with values? Do you want to go with values? Come on, tell me. If you are ready, then I am also ready. Go for x is equal to 90. Go for x is equal to 90. So A is, okay, I have to maintain A is equal to, okay, A is sin 91, sin 91, cos 90, 0. So A is coming 2 by 2, 1. A is coming 2 by 2, 1. A is equal to B, so B is also 1. And B is C upon 1 plus sin x. 1 is equal to C upon 1 plus sin 91. So C comes out to be 2. C comes out to be 2. A is 1, B is 1, C is 2. Whoever will give you 2 is your answer. Whoever will give you 2 is your answer. Sin 91, cos 90, 0. Sorry, C is 2 na? So whoever will give you 2 is your answer. Sin 91, cos 90, 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. Sin 91, cos 90, 0. 1 plus 1, 2. This is 1. Sin 91, cos 90, 0. 1 into 0, 1. Gone. Cos 90, 0. Sin 91, 1 minus 1, 0. Gone. Answer. Is it clear with this? Is it clear with this? So some good questions do come here. Some good questions do come. You cannot take CGL in a light mode. You can't take CGL in a light mode. Is value putting method is clear? So that I can go for the complete one as well. So that I can go for the complete one as well. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going for the complete one. I think it would be from rationalization. The complete one would be from rationalization maybe. 2 sin x upon 1 plus sin x plus cos x. So you have to rationalize from here. Now, what you rationalize is the ultimate point. What you rationalize is the ultimate point. So I'm keeping 1 plus sign together from here. I'm keeping 1 plus sign together from here and cos differently. So I'm rationalizing by 1 plus sin x minus cos x upon 1 plus sin x minus cos x. I have also given you the hint from where it is coming. I have also given you the hint from where it is coming because this 1 plus sin x is together over here. 2 sin x, 1 plus sin x minus cos x. A square 1 plus sin x का whole square minus b square cos square x. 2 sin x 1 plus sin x minus cos x. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Oh, dear, oh dear. Dear, oh dear. Let's see whether it will trouble us or not. Whether it will trouble us or not. Guys, 1 minus cos square theta is 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. Sin square theta plus sin square theta, 2 sin square theta. Over. So, 2 sin x, 1 plus sin x minus cos x upon. Take whatever common. I think take 2 sin x common. Sin x plus 1 is equal to b. Over. Perfect. Audio. So there was some brains involved. There was some brain involved if you are going to do it completely. There is some brain involved if you're going to do it completely, and the brain is about rationalizing to make a 1 plus sin x ka whole square, and then involving 1 minus cos square as sin square x. Then writing 1 minus cos square x as sin square x. Next. So guys, those who are new to the platform, I want to tell you one thing, that we Exampur family are working really guys tough together to provide one of the best services, guys. In this regard, we have started this free quiz services. In this regard, we have started this free quiz services. Then free job alerts, free year PDF, practice questions, current affairs, daily, weekly, monthly, study material, free courses, paid courses. In our paid courses, guys, what are the extra offerings? If you talk about Ssc Cgl, then Ssc Cgl officers batch is running over there bilingually. So a lot of students, guys, maybe about 10,000 of the students are preparing with us for this year's Cgl. Okay, let's move on. Go to the Exampur app, install it, open it, register it, and go in the Ssc Cgl segment. You will find the apps. Okay, you will find the, okay, if some of you are aspirants of GD and this kind of thing, then there is a Bardi batch there over as well. Yeah, Bardi batch is a huge batch involving 30 plus faculties. Obviously, I am not there in the Bardi batch because, you know, I mostly take CGL CHSL only, but there are a lot of other great faculties there. Okay. Yeah, Vinod, you told me about that day as well about it. I have to, guys, say about it. I have to say about it, and try to make this happen, and try to make this happen as soon as possible. The average of 12 numbers is 46. Average of first four numbers is 43. Average of last five is 49.5. So out of 12 numbers, 9 numbers is already written over here. Out of 12 numbers, 9 numbers are already written over here. There is a deviation of -3 and there is a deviation of plus 3.4. -3 over 4 numbers plus 3.4 over 5 numbers. -12 deviation and 15 plus 2, 17 deviation. -12 plus 17. -12 plus 17 is overall, -12 plus 17 is overall 5 deviation. So till now, these 9 numbers is in the profit of 5. Till now, these 9 numbers are in the profit of 5. Till now, these 9 numbers is in the profit of 5. So the upcoming numbers has to compensate for this plus 5. So you will say, sir, fifth number, the sixth number, and the seventh number have to be 3 into average minus 5. Is this step clear? Is this step clear? If this step is clear, question is over. If this step is clear, question is over. The fifth number, the sixth number, and the seventh number should be 3 into average minus 5. 3 into average minus 5. Okay, let the seventh is x. Fifth is 4 more than it. And sixth is 6 more than it. 3x plus 10 is 3 into 46 minus 5. 3x is 3 into 45 minus 15. Take 3 common from everywhere. Take 3 common from everywhere and cancel out. 3 is equal to 45 minus 3. X is 42. X is 42, guys. No. It's being not touched now. Not in the touch now. However, we used to talk, but the talk hasn't happened for last 15-20 days. Yeah. Average of fifth number. Fifth is x plus 4. So 42 plus 4 is 46. And seventh number is x only. Seventh number is x only, 42. 844 is the average. What? Guys, have you do some errors or should I cross check it? Fifth and seventh. Seventh is x. So 42 and fifth is x plus 4. 46. Come on, tell me. "44 is coming from my end. 44 is coming from my end. Okay, you can check, guys. I think the got 41 as x. 3 into 46. Okay. So it will simplify x is 46 minus 5. 41. X is 41, my dear. X is 41. So seventh number was x 41. And the fifth number was x plus 4. So 41 plus 4 is 45. Their average is 43. Is now correct? Is now correct? Yes, Akhilesh. Well done. Thanks for directly pointing the zone. Thanks for directly pointing out the zone. Well done. Let's move on, guys. Quite good questions coming. These plays a crucial role of your examinations. How can we avoid them? DIs plays a crucial role of your exams. How can we avoid them? It would be unfair to DI if we avoid them. The total production of all type of cars except B in 2012. The total production of all type of car in 2012 except B. Wow. Wow. is what percentage less than total production of all types of car in 2016? This value is how much less than this value? This value is how much less than this value? 54, 90, 100, 170, 180. Do the addition also in style. Yeah. So 50, 60, 110, 110 plus 70 is 180. It's 220. 220 plus 50 is 220 plus 50 is 270. 270 plus 11 is 281. 281 plus 14 is 295. 300. Quite less यार, काफी छोटा है. It's quite less. So it is 120 less. 120 less comparison from the 2016 value. 120 less over 2060 value of 300 into 100. 40%. 40%. 120 less over 300 into 100 is the 40% less. 120 less over 300 into 100 is 40% less. Perfect to all? In the examination hall, I know you cannot, if it is would be a pen and paper, you should be drawing these diagrams. They are really very helpful. But since it's a computer based, you can't draw them, but no issues. Okay, well done, Akileshwar. All the answers is given by Akileshwar's first, yeah. Then Harika. Most of the answers is given by Akileshwar, Harika or Vinod. Well done, keep it up, dears. Okay. If the data related to the production of D-type car is represented by a pie chart, this data is represented by a pie chart. This data is represented by a pie chart. What is the central angle corresponding to 2013? 35. Central angle corresponding to 35. So 35 over total. 35 over total. Total is B in style. Yeah, B in style. So you will say, sir, 30, 30, 60, 60 plus 40, 100, 140, 180, 188, 196. 196 plus 5 is 201, 210. For percentage calculation, guys, we multiply anything by 100. For degree calculation, we have to multiply, guys, the fraction by 360 degree. For degree calculation, we have to multiply the fraction by 360 degree. Concept. For percentage calculation, we multiply it by 100, the fraction by 100. So for the degree calculation, we have to multiply it by 360 degree. Okay? Because total degree is 360 and total percentage is 100%. 7 3 ja, 7 5 ja. 3 is 12. 12 5 ja, 60 degree. Cool and clear? Cool and clear? Very, very important session, guys, today. Yeah. Luckily, guys, we are getting very good questions today. Isn't it? Luckily, we are getting very good questions today, guys. Even I am enjoying it. I hope you too. Let's move on. Volume of a cone is known. Diameter of the base is known. Total surface area of the cone. The total surface area of the cone. For a cone, total surface area is, for a cone, to curved surface area is pi RL, and total surface area is pi R L plus R. And total surface area is pi R L plus R. And volume is 1 by 3 pi R square H. 1 by 3 pi R square H. So for a cone, these three relations you should be knowing while sleeping, while waking up. Okay. Now, volume is 600 pi. So 600 pi is equal to 1 by 3 pi. Radius. If diameter is 30, then radius is 15. If diameter is 30, then radius is 15. You will get the height. You will get the height, guys. You will get the height. Pi will get cancel out. 15 4 ja 60. 3 5 ja 15. 5 8 ja 40. So height is 8. 15 8. So slant height is 17. Because 8, 15, 17 is a very famous right angle triangle. 8, 15, 17 is a very, very famous right angle triangle. 8, 15, 17 is a triplet in a very, very famous right angle triangle. What is the total surface area? Pi R. R is 15. L plus R. 17 plus 15. 32 into 10 is 320 and half of 320 is 160. So 480 pi. Dear, oh dear. Well done. Hello Prajwal, you were little bit late. You are 1 hour late. No issues. You can watch it in the recording. No issues. You can watch it in the recording. Let's move on. Similar. Wow. Good one. Similar. Good one. The radius of a cylinder is 8, height is 15. Radius is 8, height is 15. So obviously the slant height is 17. Obviously the slant height is 17 for the cone. For the cone. For the cone. What is the total surface area of the cone? Total surface area is pi r L plus r. Pi r L plus r. Pi r is 8. L plus r is 17 plus 8, 25. Oh, it was very less as compared to the previous question. It was just, yeah, Vinod, yeah, I remember, yeah. No, but since we have a time after the, what do you say, trigonometry is over, then we can make use of that time. Yeah. Then we can make use of that time and we can create circle 1, circle 2. We can create circle 1 and circle 2. Yeah. Next. Thanks for reminding. After trigonometry is over, we can create circle 1, circle 2. Actually, guys, what is the point is that the trigonometry is huge scoring. That is why I take it always. I take it. And geometry, the syllabus is huge. So at the time of pre, yeah, L. Okay, L. You are simplifying the L. AP, BP are the tangents to the circle with center O. APB is 7, 2. What is measure of AQB? Guys, this is the center, na? Center, this radius and tangent make 90. Radius, tangent make 90. 90, 90, 180. This would also be 180, 108. Listen, 90, 90, 180. 90, 90, 180. So 72, this is 108 to make it a quadrilateral. To make it a quadrilateral. Complete quadrilateral. Complete quadrilateral. Not cyclic, only quadrilateral. If these two are 180, these two are also 180 to make it 360 total. If arc AB has subtended 108 at the center, it will subtend its half 54 degree at the circumference. If arc AB has subtended 108 degree at the center, it will subtend its half, that is 54 degree at the center. This is the property. If any arc AB subtend theta at the center, it will subtend theta by 2 at any other point on the circumference in the major segment. Let's move on. Okay, let's watch out. ABCD is a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle. P is a point on the side AB. P is a point on the side AB such that DP is given as 17. This DP is given as 17 and CP is given as 10. BP is 6. Right angle triangle 6, 8, 10. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. If this is 8, this is also 8. 8, 15, 17 is also a triplet. 8, 15, 17 is also a triplet. So if two sides are 8 and 17, the third side is 15. Are they asking AP? If they are asking AP, 15 is the answer. They are asking AP, so 15 is the answer. A question of double triplet. A question of double triplet. One triplet was 6, 8, 10. Another was 8, 15, 17. Double triplet. Next. Please quickly like and share the session as well. We are doing a lot of important questions of advanced data interpretation and some arithmetics as well. So it is going to be a complete session, guys, a complete revision session of more than 25 to 30 questions. It can be a complete revision session of questions more than 35 to more than 25 to 30. Okay, we can make use of it a lot. We can make use of this session a lot. Angle QRU is given as 73. Angle TRS is given as 14. Angle PSR is 95. What is PQR? What is this? Ask the examiner, are you out of the mind? This is a cyclic quadrilateral, na? This is a cyclic quadrilateral. And in cyclic quadrilateral, sum of opposite angle is 180 degree. In any cyclic quadrilateral, sum of opposite angle is 180 degree. So these values are never required. In any cyclic quadrilateral, sum of opposite angles is 180 degree. So if one is 95, another is 180 minus 95, that is 85 degree. So these both datas are not required because it's a cyclic quadrilateral. How to recognize a quadrilateral is a cyclic or not? All the four vertices should be on a circle. It's all four vertices should be on a circle. If all the four vertices are on the circle, it's a cyclic quadrilateral. If all the if all the four vertices are on the circle, it's a cyclic quadrilateral. So if this is 95, this is 85. Over. Well done, Harika and all. We can, but what is the point of doing it? If we use the alternate segment theorems, we would be making it a complete quadrilateral. But along with the complete quadrilateral, it's a cyclic as well. So why not use the opposite angle of cyclic as 180? Why not use the opposite angles of a cyclic is 180? So Akhilesh, you might have done like half in your complete preparation. You have done approximately 50% of mine and Neeraj sir classes, na? Like approximate, more or less. Maybe 40-60. No, Akhileshwar, it's not possible. It's not possible. I will cross check it, no issues. So, what are the topics? Because I never know, like, where you find me, like, what are the topics, special topics. However, I have my own perceptions, like, I is really damn good at these, but still, from a student's perspectives. Still, from a student's perspectives. Volume of a right circular cylinder is 5236, height is 34. What is the curved surface area? Cylinder curved surface area is 2 pi RH. Cylinder curved surface area is 2 pi RH. Multiple of 11, but this is also. Okay. There are a lot of multiples of 11. There are a lot of multiples of 11. Height is 34. You can check the multiple of 17 as well. You can check the multiple of 17 as well. 17 1 just 17, 104. 102. Gone. This is not. Check for it or check for it. 17 9 ja 17 9 ja 153. 17 9 ja 153 43 not answer. Obviously, multiple of 11 there are all. But because height is 34 and 34 has a prime number 17 and 34 has a prime number 17, so we can check the multiple of 17 as well. We can check the multiple of 17 as well. Only one. Only one. And complete. All of you know how to do it. And complete. All of you know how to do it. Next. So try to check always the multiple of prime numbers. Try to check the multiple of, always try to check the multiple of prime numbers, because they don't get cut out. Yeah, they don't get cut. That is why we generally check the multiple of prime numbers. Well done, dear. Well done, all. Doable. Doable. Pretty easily doable. Only the formulas are required. Only the formulas are required, nothing else. For a hemisphere, the volume is, for the hemisphere, the volume is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Curved surface area is, this is curved surface area, 2 pi r square. And total surface area is 2 pi r square plus pi r square, 3 pi r square. 3 pi r square. So when you melt something, the volume remain constant. When you melt something, the volume remain constant. So 12 hemisphere. So volume of a hemisphere single is 2 by 3 pi r cube. 12 hemispheres are melted. 12 hemispheres are melted to form a right circular cylinder, that is pi r square. Radius is 7 by 2 pi r square h. 12 hemispheres are melted to form a cylinder pi r square h. Over and out. 12 into 2 by 3 r cube is equal to 7 by 2 into 28. 4 7 ja 28. So it's a successive of 777, and this is 8. So I'm taking it as 8 r cube as 7 cube. So r cube as 7 ka cube by 2 ka cube. So 7 by 2 ka cube. So r is 7 by 2. So r is 7 by 2 or 3.5. So whenever you are melting something, guys, you have to keep the volume constant. You have to make the volume constant, and once you do it, the problem will become tremendously easy for you. And here the point which is needed to be taken care is try to make the perfect cubes. Try to make the perfect cubes. 777 is 7 cube and 8 is 2 cube. And 8 is 2 cube. 8 is what? 2 cube. Chalo, I have taken it in the denominator already. So try to make the perfect cube so that you can simplify it easily. You have to make this power r cube, na? So try to make the perfect cube so that you can simplify easily. Let's move on. Doable. Doable. Multiple of 11 we cannot check, all are with pi. Multiple of 11 we cannot check, all are with pi. The curved surface area of a cone is pi RL. The curved surface area of a cone is pi RL. Given as 156 pi. Radius is 12, is 156, so slant height is 13. A very famous triplet of 12, 5 and 13. Very famous triplet of 12, 5 and 13. Very famous triplet of 12, 5 and 13. Problem is over. What is the volume of the cone? 1 by 3 pi r square into h. Height is 5. Height is 5. A very famous triplet of pi r square, like this is 4. It's 20 into 12 pi. 240 pi. If any one of you can take the risk, you can check the multiple of 12. However, I know 12 is not a prime number. But we can check, since it will come in the multiplication, in the volume pi r square h. So the rule for 12 is 3 and 4. 4, this is also. Let's see for 3. Gone. Let's see for 3. Gone. See for 3. Yes. two. There is a competition among two. There is a competition among two. For three, these both are gone, but it is still in the picture. So the competition between the two, otherwise we could have directly marked the answer. Otherwise we could have directly marked the answer. This has also remained. Yeah. No tempering of options to misguide you. Exact options. What is in the exam is in our PPTs. If there are all four multiples, I would have kept all four multiples. I don't want to show any kind of jadoo. It's purely logical, purely ethical, and purely exam, whatever is in the exams. Okay? Let's see it. So finally, two multiples remain. Otherwise, we could have directly marked the answer. Let's move on. Melting. Melting. Even these non-stop marathon session, guys, I just uh, take it from the previous year shifts in a copy paste. I even don't see what is there. Directly, guys, directly from shifts. Directly from shifts. In today's question, there are a lot of questions from mains as well. I hope you might have recognized. Some of you, those who are in a serious preparation for quite some time, they might have definitely recognized that, sir, today you have taken some from mains as well, even quite from mains as well. Metallic sphere of radius 6.3 melted, recasted into a circular cone of height. What is the diameter of the base and the height of the cone? Metallic sphere volume. Sphere volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. And its surface area. Guys, its curved surface area, total surface area are same. Its curved surface area, total surface area are same, and they are 4 pi r square. In melting, volume is used. So 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube is recasted into a right circular cone. 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h. H is 25.2. Pi by 3, pi by 3. Pi by 3, pi by 3. Simplify by 4. 4 6 ja 24, 4 3 ja 12. Wow. Have you seen some wonder happened? Yes. R square is 6.3 ka cube divided by 6.3. So basically R square is a 6.3 ka square. So R is 6.3. This wonder happened automatically. So what is the ratio of the diameter of the base? What is the ratio if the radius is 6.3, then the diameter is double of it, twice of 6.3. And height of the cone. Height of the cone is already given as 25.2. It will simplify 4 times. 1:2 is the answer. 1:2 is the answer. Magic happened already. Magic happened already. Look at this simplification. Look at this data management. Good morning, Mandana, Rajendran. You are quite late now. No issues. You can watch the session in the recording. I'm taking the session for past approximately 1.5 hours. So you can complete it in the recording. It is going to be very fruitful for sure. Next. Next. Well done, Mandana. You are starting with a top rank. Starting with a top rank. Square equilateral triangle have equal perimeter. What is the perimeter of a square? 4a. What is the perimeter of equilateral triangle? 3 of side A. Diagonal of a square is 12 root 2. If diagonal is 12 root 2, then side is 12. So for a square, side is 12. For equilateral triangle, side is 16. For equilateral triangle, side is 16. What is the area of triangle? Root 3 by 4a square. Root 3 by 4 a square. Root 3 by 4 a square. Over. Waljan, Prajwal, Shrivani, Vinod, Akleshwar, Mandhana and everyone else. Please read it very carefully. Never ever underestimate the power of DI. Never ever underestimate the power of DI. If you closely observe your performances, you will feel that most of your marks are lost over here. When you closely observe your performances, you will see that a lot of your marks are lost over here. What is the ratio of total production of E-type cars in 14 and E in 14? E in 14 and C in 16 taken together. Taken together is 53 plus 77, that is 130. Yeah? Yeah. 130. Then to the total production of B in 14, B in 14, 56 and D in 13, 35, 91, 13, 7 ja 91, 10 ratio 7. 13, 7 ja 91, 10 ratio 7. Nothing was there. But patience was there. What was required? Patience. To properly write down the values. To properly write down the values and don't do any hurry up and like just damage the things. So the patience was the key over here. Options are close. Patience plus calculation. Patience plus calculation. The total production of E-type cars in 12 and 13. E-type cars in 12 and 13. 90. The total production of E-type cars in the total production of E-type car in 12 and 13 is approximately what percentage more than the average production of A. The average production of A. You have to find out its average. Will you do it by deviation or what? If you do it by deviation, assume the average as 50. Assume the average as 50. Assume the average as 50. Okay, 50 plus minus. And check out the deviation from 50. It's plus 4. It's plus 8. It's plus 10. It's plus 13. Everything is plus. Divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 50 plus 12. This is the, my dear, 25, 30, 40. 40 by 5 is 8. 58 is the average. 90 is how much more than the average? 90 is how much percentage more than the average? 90 is how much percentage more than the average? So you will say, sir, it is definitely 32 more over 58 into 100. It is definitely 32 more over 58 into 100. Please do simplify. Please do simplify. Any approximations you want to do? Yeah, I'm increasing it, so I have to increase it as well. I'm increasing it by 2. I'm increasing it by 2. Now this is less than 2, so I can increase it by like 1 or 1.5. 5 by 3. 3 is 11.1 or 11.2. 55, 56. Is this is the answer? 55.2? Yeah. Because we have like increased its value. Now we have increased its value. Then it is reaching 56. So it should be less than 56 and between 55. This is the answer. However, if you don't want to take risk, do it complete. If you don't want to take risk, do it complete. Look at the approximation what I've taken. 32 over 58 into 100. 32 over 58 into 100. I increase it to 60. Increment of 2. Increment of 2 in the denominator, I cannot do the increment of 2 over here. Why? Because yeah, it's small, na? So for an increment of 2 over here, there is hardly an increment of 1.2, 1.3 over here. Because it is only a bit more than the half. It is only a bit more than the half. Got it? Its half is 29. So only a bit more than half. So I can hardly increase it by 1.2. Perfect. Come on, tell me. This you can learn, guys. This you can learn. It's a tremendous thing. I use it a lot. I use it a lot, guys. Okay, so this is a tremendous thing. You can learn this. Yeah, you can take the assumed average as anything. You can take the assumed average as anything, but try to take in between. Yeah, you can take it 60 as well. 60 is also going to do very good. 60 is also going to act as very good. I'm taking 60 now and like giving you the answer from there. I'm taking 60 and giving you the answer from there. 60. Take the deviation. Minus 6, minus 2, 0, plus 3, minus 5, divide by 5. Minus 8, minus 5, minus 13, plus 3, minus 10. 58. You can assume any value according to your choice. You can assume any value according to your choice. Try to assume the value in between so that there would be some positive terms, some negative terms, and they will cancel out each other. So that there would be some positive terms, some negative terms, and they will cancel out each other. Now clear to all? There is a very important information, guys, which I want to do a meetup. Okay, it is going to be an exciting moment for all of you. It is going to be an exciting moment for all of you. So please make use of this opportunity and meet at Geeta Nagar Park near Geeta Nagar Crossing, Kakadev, Kanpur. Okay. So if any of your friends is from Kanpur, guys, you can really meet up, guys, with the team. You can really meet up with the team. Back again. Okay. A circle of 3 is divided into 3 areas by semicircles. Oh. Figure not available. Figure not available. Chalo, we are going to now keep only the last 1 or 2 questions. We are now only going to keep last or 1 or 2 questions. We will try to wind up the session in the next 5 minutes. We will try to wind up the session in the next 5 minutes. It was a great day. E is the point on AB such that BE is 17. Area of triangle ADE is 84. Wow. Area of triangle ADE is 84. Is it complete? देखिए एक बार जरा. It can be. It can be. Square, na? So take it A. Take it A. If this is A plus 17, this is also A plus 17. We found a gem in the last. We found a gem in the last. Square, so sides are equal. Sides are equal. A plus 17, A plus 17. Apply the first area of a right angle triangle. Half into A plus 17 is 84. So A into A plus 17 is 168. It's basically a quadratic. But we can try to break into factors. More breaking required. Have we arrived or not? Okay, we have not arrived yet. Have we arrived now? Have we arrived? I hope so. Have we arrived? I hope so. So A is 7. So side of the square is 17 plus 7 is 24. Area of the square 24 का square 576. झकास. देख लीजिए. Come on, watch out. Perfect. You can go for values as well. But I think that is also very cool. Area of a parallelogram whose lengths are given. Area of a parallelogram whose length is 30, width is 20, and one of the diagonal is 40. Guys, in case of a parallelogram, these both triangles are congruent. Congruent means exactly same. Oh, give some answers, yaar. Give some answers. These both triangles are congruent. 30, 20, 40. So obviously, we need to find out the area of this triangle and make it double. We need to find out the area of this triangle and make it double. We need to find out the area of one triangle and make it double. So area of 2 times the area of triangle. And this triangle is under root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Guys, come on, give some answers. They are doable. They are not out of the world. They are not out of the blue. They are not out of the blue, guys. Yeah. Now, I'm not going to solve it further until you give the answers. What is the semi-perimeter? What is the semi-perimeter? 30 plus 40, 70 plus 20, 90. 90 divided by 2, 45. 45. 45 minus 45. 45 minus 30, 15. 45 minus 20, 25. Make use of perfect squares. Take the perfect squares directly outside. Take the perfect squares directly outside. It is 5 ka square. Take it outside directly. 10. Okay. It is 9 into 5 into 5 into 15. This is also a perfect square. This is also a perfect square. 5 will come outside. 3 will come outside. 5 3s are 15 will come outside. 15 into 10 root 15. 150 root 50. D is the correct answer. Well done, Harika. Akleshwar, you done some error might be. No, no, no. You have also done it correctly, but so all of you have done it correctly. It was a tremendous one. It was a tremendous one. Tremendous one. So, guys, can I wind up the session over here? What do you say? I think so. You might have thoroughly enjoyed the session. You might have thoroughly enjoyed the session. Please do a great revision of this. Please do a great revision of this. Take care of yourself. I will meet you might be day after tomorrow. Might be day after tomorrow with 2 sessions. One is a practice session, one is a topic wise session. So now we will meet on Monday, guys. Obviously, there are a lot of sessions coming today as well, and a lot of sessions coming tomorrow as well. But for the mathematics, I would be coming. What do you say? On the Monday with one practice session, tremendous practice session, and one topic-wise trigonometry session. Take care of yourself. Have a great time. Thank you very much. Mandhana, Vinod, Harika, Akleshwar. See you there in the next session. See you there in the next session. Take care of yourself.